In this video, we'll cover EnOcean switch commissioning and scene creation. The EnOcean switches are available in two configurations, the single rocker and dual rocker. A single press up turns on the lights. A single press down turns off the lights. Pressing and holding the up button dims up the lights. Pressing and holding the down button dims down the lights. The left side of the dual rocker is similar to the single rocker switch. Pressing the top switch turns on the lights. Pressing the down switch turns off the lights. Pressing and holding the up switch dims up the lights. Pressing and holding the down switch dims down the lights. On the right side, we have two scenes. A press on the top switch goes to scene A. A press on the bottom switch goes to scene B. On the back side of the switch, there's a QR code. This will be the QR code we'll be scanning during the provisioning process. There may be two QR codes on the switch, but the QR codes should be identical. Now I'll walk through provisioning the devices using the Fulham app. It is important that the iOS device, such as an iPad, is within range of the luminaires. We'll create a new project for this demo. We'll enter our new project Office 1 and create a new floor. We'll then enter our new office and create a new zone. We'll use a switch scenario for this zone. We'll enter this new zone and add a device. Once we have successfully added a device, we'll click on the drop-down arrow. We'll then select the EnOcean switch toggle and take a picture of the QR code at the back of the switch. If using a single rocker switch, at this stage will be completed. However, for this demo, I'll be using a dual rocker switch, so I'll go ahead and configure scene A and scene B. I'll configure scene A for 51%. I'll configure scene B for 9%. At this stage, our dual rocker switch is configured for on, off, dimming, and the two scenes. Going back to our EnOcean switch, this is the QR code we took a picture of during the provisioning process. The luminaire is now controlled by the EnOcean switch. A short press up turns on the light. A short press down turns off the light. Pressing and holding up dims up the light. Pressing and holding down dims down the light. Pressing the top right goes to scene A. Pressing the bottom right goes to scene B. This concludes this training video. For more videos about the eliteBlue commissioning tools, please visit fulham.com/videos/eliteBlue.